If you want to customize the lock screen on iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, what you can do is you can open Settings. We're gonna scroll down a little bit and then we can choose Wallpaper. Now, in here, I'm just gonna customize the current wallpaper, of course. I'm gonna tap on the lock screen like this, and in here we can customize our lock screen. You can, for example, tap on any of these widgets like the date that we have at the top. We can tap on the time in order to customize the clock. We can also add widgets over here. And in the case of the clock, over here in the bottom right corner, we can also grab by this thick line in order to make it bigger, and then the widgets are moved to the bottom. And in addition to that, you may find some additional options over here at the bottom, like if you have a live photo, then you can toggle live effect. Over here, you will find a button right next to the preview over here. You can also tap on this option in order to generate spatial scene. Then you might be able to find these three dots that allows you to extend the wallpaper or use the depth effect, which allows you to hide the clock behind the object, as long as it is of course accessible, because it is unfortunately not always accessible. And in this case it seems that it is actually not working for some reason. Maybe the phone is actually not detecting the object, unfortunately. But maybe we can also try to zoom in. By the way, of course, we can zoom in and zoom out in the wallpaper can be zoomed in and zoomed out. We can also use two fingers in order to move it around if possible. And of course, at the bottom we have the shortcuts or buttons. So we can tap on the minus in order to remove the shortcut, and then you can tap on the plus in order to choose something else that you wish to use. And once you are done with the customization, we can press on the done in the upper right corner. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.